Hi everybody, this is your Professor Ian. This is a very short video I'm shooting just to talk to you about Canvas, the program we're going to be using for this course. So this is just my how to access Canvas video, super basic. This is designed more in mind for people who've never used Canvas before. This is just me showing you how to access the program. So there are two ways to get to Canvas. My favorite is just to go to your URL bar and type in canvas.chaffee.edu. And that's going to take you to this sign-in page. And then you'll fill in your Chaffee credentials. So your first name, last name, initials, and then your student number, whatever your number looks like. Yours might look different than mine. And then the password you set up. Okay? So that needs to be all set up, of course, beforehand. Forget password option, of course. If you log in, it's going to take you to your dashboard. This is what they call your dashboard in Canvas. On the left here, you can see there's a menu over here. This is called your global navigation menu. And this has other options other than specific courses. That's what you have in your dashboard. Over here, you can do things like here's your account, so you can add a picture, right? That's always nice to add a picture. That's your dashboard if you want to come back to this landing page. Your courses, if you want to look at a list of them, that's more useful perhaps for professors or people who have been at Chaffee for a few years. Calendar, you can look at upcoming events. Let's see, inbox, so emails, messages from professors, colleagues, classmates, such and such. Comments, I don't know if you have that option. Studio, you probably don't have that option either, but student support, you definitely have that option. This is where you're going to access the Writing Center, financial services. Why don't I just click there to show you? Because of the COVID-19 virus, all of our student support services have gone online, and this is where you can access those. So you can get to the library, online tutoring workshops, counseling, community advising, so if you want help planning your career or educational path, the wellness center. So this is how you can access our health center online, career and transfer. That's great if you're thinking about moving on to another institution after Chaffee, right? So all this is available online. This is where you should come. And counseling is great too if you are having problems, with technical things, signing for courses and such. Anyways, that's the student support. So if we go back to dashboard, this is going to take you to your courses. So let's go to one of the courses I'm teaching this semester. I don't know, let's look at this one. Okay, when you click on the course, it's going to take you to the home page for that course, and then you're going to have options over here. Yours will look a little bit different. Let me just show you what yours looks like, more or less, right? You're going to have fewer options here. Assignments coming up, right? And this would be your main page for a course. And from there, you can click around and learn about the course. But that's how you access Canvas in a very basic way. Anyways, please do email me if you have any questions or concerns. I'm always here to answer questions. Please especially email me if you're having technical difficulties accessing this or using any of the features of Canvas, because we'll be using this, of course, all semester. Okay, thank you very much.